to the ATV revolution. For those of you that follow Jack Owak, who actually runs Bang Energy, you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is actually going to be our very first Bike of the Week video. Now, a lot of you guys give me crap for calling ATVs bikes, but basically, bike equals everything for me. So this is all kinds of ATVs. That includes dirt bikes, trikes, and quads. They're all all-terrain vehicles in my mind. So anyways, it is Bike of the Week. This is going to be the first one, and it's actually going to be a three-wheeler. That's right, guys. So the very first Bike of the Week is a 1986 ATC250R. It belongs to Cody Rosa. His Instagram username is Rosa Cody, and he's actually got a couple videos up on his YouTube channel, and I'm going to play a couple of them here. He's got a top speed video, which I'm going to play at the end, so definitely stick around to see how fast this thing goes. And he's got a restoration video also, and I'm going to play that in the background so that you guys can see this thing. He did a really nice job putting together a small video showing exactly what processes he went through, and let me tell you, this thing was clapped when he bought it. So speaking of clapped, here is a picture of the way that he picked it up, and he didn't actually buy it, he traded for it. He had a worked 440EX, and apparently it was in really nice shape, and he traded it for this clapped out ATC250R. It had a bent axle amongst other things, and I'm going to get into some details, but first what I'm going to do is get the video playing, and then I'll talk about some stuff that Cody went through to restore this bike. And I just had to make mention, I don't know what the heck is going on with this thing right here. It looks like somebody cut off some Raptor plastics and put them on top of the ATC plastics. And yeah, I'm not really sure what that's all about, but thank God Cody got a hold of this thing and brought it back to life. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this video rolling. So you can see right here, he's got it right when he picked up. He's got a couple pictures with those clapped out plastics and whatnot. And he said when he bought this thing, pretty much the only good stuff on it where it was the frame and the forks. The axle was bent, the fork seals were leaking, the motor had a hole in it, the tires were shot. I mean, you can see in the pictures. And he decided he was gonna do a full restoration. So he sent stuff out to a local powder coating company. They powder coated the frame, pegs, and all kinds of stuff. He sent out the forks to be redone, the triple tree, and other various parts he had sanded and polished. And here's the really interesting part. He actually had this motor sent to California, and it was built by Rob Selby. If you don't know who Rob Selby is, he's a pretty iconic guy. He was really big into the three-wheeler game back in the day, and he did a lot of 250R stuff as well. But he's a super iconic guy just in the two-stroke world and ATVs and three-wheelers. So he actually rebuilt this motor. It's a 265cc. It's ported and polished, has V-Force 3 reeds, 36mm Air Striker carb, Wiseco clutch basket, all new bearings. He rebuilt the crank, and he also fixed the hole in the radiator, and you're going to see that in the video. He did an excellent job. I'm actually not sure if Cody did that himself or if he had somebody else do it, but regardless, he did a hell of a job bringing this thing back to life. And aside from the stuff that you see in this video, he has done some other modifications since, including a +4 400EX axle and Tusk extended axle blocks. So this thing has got to be super wide in the back end. He also has some WMD foot pegs, Pro Taper bars, and of course the hole shot tires, which you can see in the barn photo, which I'll show you at the end again. But you can see, here's the pieces of the motor that were cracked up, and these are the repair shots right here. Looks really terrible right now, but wait till you see what he does. He basically cleans up this whole thing, and when he's done, you'll see it's all smoothed out and painted, and he does an excellent, excellent job. I mean, you'd never know that that was messed up ever. Here's a picture of the cylinder. You can see the port work and everything. So right here is the most recent picture of his 250R. You can see that's a huge, huge difference from the way he bought it. I mean, this is literally as much of a restoration as you pretty much can have. I mean, from the motor all the way down to the axle being bent and tires being, well, pretty much everything on this bike was totally clapped out. Did an excellent job bringing it back to life. And Cody also has a couple really good videos on his YouTube page of him riding in first-person view. I'll play a short little clip right here. also did a video showing the top speed, which is really interesting. Everybody likes to see the top speed, and it is after the mods, keep in mind. But I'm going to play that video for you guys right now, and that's how I'm going to be closing this video out. By the way, guys, this is a perfect example of a submission for Bike of the Week. Cody did a great job sending in pictures, videos, and a detailed description of exactly what he did to this bike and the history of it. If you guys like this content, please let me know in the comments section below. And if there's anything you'd like to see different or something that you think I could do better, please let me know that in the comment section as well. And as always, guys, if you want to submit your bike, please just shoot me a DM at Sabo350, and please include at least one nice picture of your bike, and then underneath just put Bike of the Week, Quad of the Week, however you want to put it. And then after that, if you're chosen, please be willing to send in multiple pictures, at least one video, and details about a history of the bike. Okay, guys, so I'm going to finish this video off with the top speed run. And until the next one, guys, I will see you later in this week, hopefully, with an update on Project 250R. Peace out, rock on, all you guys rock, and I'll see you in the next one.
All right, you ready, little guy? Oh, yeah. Miles an hour, like literally 80 even.